Hello dear students, good morning. In today's class, we will be studying how to change imperative sentences from direct to indirect speech. So let us begin the class. Imperative sentences. In your earlier classes, you have studied about the imperative sentences. Once again, I recall you again. Imperative sentences are those sentences which gives an order, suggestion, a request, command and an advice. So these sentences are called imperative sentences. Let me give you one example like, get me a glass of water, turn off the fan, or open the door. So these are the examples of imperative sentence. So here we are going to study how to change such types of sentences from direct to indirect speech. So here are some of the certain steps that you need to follow. First one is you need to focus on its reported verb. Beg, request, order, command, etc. So a reported verb you need to change into beg, request, order, command, etc. So according to the sense of a sentence, sense of your reported speech. Next step, in order to remove this double inverted comma, usually we use that conjunction. But here we are not supposed to use that conjunction. In the place of that conjunction, we need to use to. But in case of negative imperative, you need to use not to. Let us understand these two steps with the help of some examples. He said to him, comma, double inverted commas, take medicine daily, double inverted. So follow the first step, that is a reported verb. A reported verb will change according to the expression of reported speech. A reported speech. What is the expression in the reported speech? You can see take medicine daily. Probably we are giving here advice to somebody. So here your reported verb, automatically this will be advised. Okay? Since this is a reported verb is of past tense. So here it will be advised. He advised him. In order to remove this double inverted commas, what we use? Follow the second step, this one. In order to remove the double inverted commas, you need to use to. So he advised him to take medicine daily. So this is how we change imperative sentences from direct to indirect speech. Let us take one more example. She said to her, comma, double inverted comma, please give me 10 rupees. Full stop, double inverted commas, close. Now once again here you can see a reported verb. A reported verb will change according to the expression of the reported speech. So you can see in the reported speech, see the word please. The word please demonstrate here that somebody is requesting. So here expression comes out of a request. So this said to will change into request. So she requested her you need to remove this double inverted commas. So what you will use? To. So she requested her to give her 10 rupees. So I hope you understood these two steps with the help of these two examples. Now let us take one example of negative imperative. Negative imperative, in case of negative imperative, you need to use not to when you remove the double inverted commas. So how, let us see. For an example, if I write here, the teacher said to students, comma, double inverted comma begin, do not go there, full stop, double inverted commas, close. So here you can see, dear students, your reported speech is in the negative imperative. Okay, so how to change this negative imperative sentence? Let me tell you over here. Firstly, this sad to will change according to this expression. So what expression is coming out over here? Don't go there. Somebody is, I think, here ordering. Actually, usually what teacher does? Usually the teacher orders. So the teacher, in the place of said to, the teacher ordered. Okay, the teacher ordered students. So you need to remove this double inverted comma. In order to remove double inverted comma here, you need to use not to. Why? Because this is negative imperative. So you will use here not to go there. Now let us take one more example. The teacher said to students, comma, double inverted commas, do not write on the wall, full stop, double inverted commas, close. So here once again see, your reported speech is in the negative imperative. So your reported verb will change according to the expression of this reported speech. What expression comes out from your reported speech over here? Here teacher has forbidden to students not to write anything on the wall. So your reported verb will change into forbidden. Okay, so the teacher forbid means not to do so. Okay, so the teacher forbade students. So in order to remove this double inverted comma, you need to use not to, because this is again negative imperative. So not to write on the wall. So dear students, this is how we change imperative sentences from direct to indirect speech. So I hope you understood how to change such types of sentences. Again, when you come across with such kind of sentences, you can change these sentences very easily. So I hope you understood this topic in today's class, and in the next class we will study many more about the narration.